Super Wings.
Super Wings. Hi, Cameron.
Hi.
What do you have?
We have an airplane.
What, an airplane?
Yes. And it goes zoom.
Zoom?
Yes.
It's a Super Wings remote control airplane. It's remote control Donnie.
What's it on the back?
Let's look at the back. What does it do? Let's see. It says, I'm ready to make things happen. It goes forward and spins in 360. So it spins around in a circle. It takes 5 AAA batteries, which we have. So let's open it up and put the batteries in and see what it can do. What do you think?
Yay! Let me do it all myself.
Oh, you're gonna do it by yourself?
When when we get the airplane, Super Wings, the jets.
Yeah, they are jets. Alright, so we got him out of the box. This is what he looks like.
How do you turn them on?
And then Cameron has the remote. You gonna turn the switch on the back?
Yes. And I can see what happens.
Okay, let's turn it on and see what happens.
I'm ready to make things happen.
He's stuck. Oh no! Oh no! The Super Wings is annihilating the Paw Patrol. He's stuck. Oh!
I got on this. Scoop. Now get it.
Oh, you missed. Oh, you got Marshall again. The only ones still standing are Rubble and Sky.
I got him.
Paw Patrol has come to stop you, Donnie.
Oh, well, you take it.
Oh, they got the Paw Patrol.
It's gonna get taste.
Do you like this airplane?
Yeah.
Is he super fun?
Yes. Goodbye.